Hey you guys, I'm gonna sing kind of an old song, but I just reminded it a couple hours ago because I really like it and it has a huge important message. So if you like it, subscribe. This song is a really popular song called Fireworks, performed by Katy Perry. Yeah, I hope you like it. And if you don't, tell me, okay? Always like to hear responses. Do you ever feel like a plastic bag drifting through the wind, wanting to start again? Do you ever feel so paper thin, like a house of cards, one blur from caving in? Do you ever feel already buried deep, 6 feet on the screen, but no one seems to hear a thing? Do you know that there's still a chance for you? Cause there's a spark in you. You just gotta ignite the light and let it shine. Just on the night, like the 4th of July. Cause baby, you're a firework. Come and show them what you're worth. Make them go, oh, oh, oh. As you shoot across the sky. Baby, you're a firework. Come and let your colors burst. Make them go, oh, oh, oh. You're gonna leave them going down. You don't have to feel like a wasted space. You're original, cannot be replaced. If you only knew what the future holds. After a hurricane comes a rainbow. Maybe your reason why all the doors are closed, so you could open one that leads you to the perfect road. Like a lightning bolt, your heart will glow, and when it's time you'll know. You just gotta ignite the light and let it shine. Just on the night, like the 4th of July. Cause baby, you're a firework. Come and show them what you're worth. Make them go, oh, oh, oh. If you shoot across the sky, baby, you're a firework. Come and let your colors burst. Make them go, oh, oh, oh. You're gonna leave them from the boom, boom, boom. Even brighter than the moon, moon, moon. It's always been inside of you. And now it's your time to let it through. Cause baby, you're a firework. Come and show them what you're worth. Make them go, oh, oh, oh. If you shoot across the sky, baby, you're a firework. Come and let your colors burst. Make them go, oh, oh, oh. You're gonna leave them going now, oh, oh. Boom, boom, boom. Even better than the moon, moon, moon. Boom, boom, boom. Even better than the moon, moon, moon. So, this is it. I hope you like it. And if you don't, tell me. It's always good to hear comments. Yeah. So, subscribe, peeps. If you have some options for songs that I can sing, please send it to me. Cause I really don't know what to sing anymore. So if you will send me, I really appreciate it. Thank you. Bye bye.